Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore aspect ratio issues with HandBrake presets, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening HandBrake on your computer. Once HandBrake is open, locate the source section in the top left corner of the interface. Click on the Open Source button to select the video file you want to work on. After the video loads, navigate to the Presets panel on the right side of the window. Choose a preset that is closest to your desired output. This will automatically configure several settings for you. Next, look for the Dimensions tab located in the middle of the interface. Click on it to access the aspect ratio settings. Under the Size section, check the current width and height of your video. Note the aspect ratio displayed below the dimensions. If it doesn't match your desired ratio, you can manually adjust the width or height. When adjusting, ensure that the Keep Aspect Ratio checkbox is ticked. To apply a standard aspect ratio, try common values like 16:9 or 4:3. You can enter these values in the width and height fields. After setting the dimensions, look for the Filters tab next. In the Filters section, ensure that any non-square pixel options are correctly set. This helps maintain the aspect ratio during conversion. Once you're satisfied with the settings, proceed to the Video tab. Here, select the encoding settings that align with your needs. Ensure that the constant quality setting is adjusted to optimize quality versus file size. Now, move to the Audio tab if you need to adjust the audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings complement the new video format. After confirming all adjustments, select your destination folder at the bottom of the interface. You can set a specific file name for the output too. Finally, click on the Start Encode button in the top menu to begin the process. Wait for HandBrake to finish encoding the video. Once completed, navigate to your chosen destination folder to find your restored aspect ratio video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.